Hey friends, the Copilot preview is a new feature in Windows 10 23H2 build, and all you need to do is click on this icon in the taskbar below, and then you can make changes here, like you can make it more creative or more precise or more balanced and ask anything. But a lot of users do not like this feature because they think that they have better options like ChatGPT. Now that is their choice, especially because this is only a preview. So if you wish to remove this, then the procedure is very easy. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. In the settings menu, you will find this option for Copilot preview. Turn it off and the Copilot icon will be gone. And if you still wish to access it, all you need to do is search for Copilot and you can re-enable its visibility settings from the same menu. So I have shared two options for you, and you can also use its shortcuts, but honestly it is better if it is disabled. So that is your choice. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then please let us know in the comment section below so that we could investigate it further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.